are a number of different ways in which you can enjoy the assistance of Porsche Voice Pilot in your new Taycan. There are two ways to activate Porsche Voice Pilot. One is by the button on the steering wheel. You select the button in a single push. Hey Porsche, I'm hot.
It will be cooler soon.
Here you can see the temperature in the vehicle has gone down a couple of degrees. You can also initiate the Porsche Voice Pilot by an activation word saying, "Hey Porsche, I would like a coffee."
Duncan in Hateville, would you like to start route guidance?
There are a few more settings in which you can adjust your Porsche Voice Pilot. Here in the PCM, select the settings icon, voice control, and here you can see interrupt voice control and short dialogues. Interrupt voice control allows you to give new voice commands before the voice control has ended completely, so you can interrupt it. There's also short dialogues. This will shorten her responses to you. We'll select both of these and give you an example. Hey Porsche, I'd like a coffee.
Espresso in Atlanta, start route guidance.
Number 2.
Coffee man in Atlanta, start route
Yes.
guidance.
As you can see, the interaction has been shortened because I was able to give the commands prior to her finishing her description. Depending on your mobile device, you can use the voice assistant button through a long press to bring up Google Assistant, or in this case, Siri through Apple CarPlay. What's the weather?
It's currently clear and 82 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting early evening. Temperatures are heading down from 84 to 70 degrees tonight.
Now you can use Porsche Voice Pilot to interact with various features in your new Taycan.